Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am here to share a quick design team project that I just completed. Get my little cheat sheet. This design team project is from After Midnight Designs on Etsy, and it's called the Cherry Orchard Kit. Really pretty kit. And I haven't put a vintage lady in front of a journal in a long time, so I really enjoyed myself, guys. But I used a lot of the lace from Craft Supplies for You on Zibbit or the website, and I did use some of mine, but yeah, I love the way it turned out, and it's chunky, but it's not too bad. And I just used light pink seam binding, and let's go in. This flower here in the front, take this off, is from Craft Supplies for You. I copy dyed it. It was white. I copy dyed it, so I don't know if it comes out, but you could see a little bit of the brown on the edges. So yeah, it was a larger piece, so I just cut out this little flower here, added some of these little bead thingies that were just sticking out, some leaves. I think it's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some more of these because they're nice. They're not too bulky, so as you could see, so they're awesome for journal covers. And then the back is just plain. I did add this strip of lace here with ribbon, and then this is another piece. So yeah, let's go in there. Enough of the lace. So here on this one, I used this pocket. I was looking at Rachel from Roxy Creations, and she was making you know, those challenge that she has going, where she makes a bunch of pockets and then she decorates them in an hour or something like that, or 45 minutes. Well, this was one of them, and I liked it, so I just grabbed a piece of paper and made it, and I liked the way it turned out. So I'm probably gonna sit there and make more. I thought they were really cute. I went ahead and did some stitching on the back here. You got the back open, but then there's a pocket here. So there's one pocket, two, and then in here is another one, so it's three. But then if you leave it open way in the back, you got the fourth. So this is just a little, you know, simple journaling card I made. So that just, oh, that pops in the pocket. And then I have these two pieces of ephemera. I just distressed around the edges, but I figured you could journal on the back of that one. And that just tucks right there. On this little side pocket, I just have this little ticket, and that just pops in there, but you could fit way more. It's all the way to the end, the pocket. So yeah, I really like that. And then the little pocket here, just some couple of pieces of ephemera. And here was a little snippet that I had made, and just popped it right there, and my pocket was done. Okay, so here's a page from that beautiful kit. I love the pink that it has in it. Here is this picture. I took it out of a book, a black and white picture, and I just, you know, collaged around it. Here I just added a little snippet there, and this is not from the kit. I'll just point out whatever's came in the kit, because there's a lot of ephemera that I use from various shops, and I know a lot of them I'm not gonna remember. So yeah, so this is a little like I said, it's an envelope that I just attached, and it opens, and I added a little pocket here that I made out of a book page, and it's just holding a journaling card. This one came with the kit. And then just these pieces. And here I just did a little bit of collaging there. And then here on the end, it's open. And I have just a simple little journaling card that I made. So that just pops in there for secret notes. If I can do it. Come on, help me here. There you go. And then here you have a lot of space for journaling, which is awesome. And then you just go to the next page, and then here we have a little book page that I just did as a tuck. I went ahead and added this cute little envelope that came with one of those kits. I think it's from Journal Boat, I think it is. I hope I'm getting it right. Hold on, because I think it's stuck right in a little corner, so I distressed it with my distress stain. But yeah, so these cute little tags go in there, but I just thought that envelope was so cute and it was perfect for that pocket. So that went in there. And then over here, just a little label. This is part of the kit. And I backed it with some of the extra papers that I had printed out from the kit, just to, you know, for journaling space. So that goes in there, and then it also comes with 2 large mason jars. And I just backed some nice paper, get that owl in there, and, you know, have some lines for journaling. So that goes in there. Another awesome page here. I try to leave space for journaling because, you know, as you guys know, I tend to, you know, stuff up my journals, and a lot of people like it, but a lot of people don't. So I figured, okay, I'm gonna do one that's not too bad. This one's from the kit. So I'll just pop that guy in the back. Here you have space for journaling. This is some of the lace that came from Craft Supplies for You. Really pretty. I love this little trim here. I think it looks all fancy. Really cute. And then I need to stop moving this journal. And then on here, in the back, I have a large tag that I made. And that just pops in there. And then in this pocket, we have a postcard. And then these two are part of the kit. And then here, as you can see, the DigiKit comes, it has images, so I thought that was awesome for the, you know, the vintage images that I used, the old black and white, I should say, images. So I like that. And then here I just did a little, you know, a little collage there to add these little flowers. And then here I just have a paper clip holding, try not to take the paper clip off, but this is one of the tags that I made using my Stainz. And then this is just an old letter from I think it's from Tailor Made Journals. I think it's from her, because I know I have some from the old design shop and among others. So yeah, pop that there. Here I just have this journaling card, and here another beautiful page and a lot of space for journaling. Here's just a little cluster. I've had this one, I've made that one for a while. I bumped into it, found it a home. And then here is a cute little postcard. And then here another pocket with a large tag that I made. And then on here, oh Lord, that's my dryer, guys. Sorry. Sometimes it freaks me out. It has a loud beep thingy, whatever. Okay, so here, a large tag, and this is part of the kit. And then in here, I have just this cute little tag and this piece of ephemera. Not sure where these came from though, but they went well. And then in the front here, I have this tag that I made. And then this comes with the kit. Get, I think 4 little journaling cards. I think it's 4 of them. And then here I just did a little bit of collaging. A little little snippet there. Here I have another envelope, and I have this beautiful picture too, and that one's printed on photo paper. And not photo paper. Well, yeah, photo paper. Yeah, I said it right. I just did a bunch of collaging, just different lace, some linen fabric on the bottom, just different, you know, different pieces, bits and pieces. And then on the back here, I added another cute little pocket. I think this is also from the journal boat. I hope I'm saying that right. I didn't write that one up. And then here's just a cute little tag. And that goes in there. And then this one, I'm not sure where I got it from. I guess I had already printed it a while ago, but I thought it was cute. I'm trying to say Shabby Dabby Doodah. I don't know. I think it's hers. And then here I just inserted a cute little journaling card. But yeah, I think they're hers, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think they are. So that just tucks in that little pocket. And again, space for journaling. Why do I keep moving the book? I have issues. I have issues. And there we have a serious gentleman there. Here again, got some peoples. And then here I have another little pocket. And this is just... well, a bingo card, but I can't remember who that one's from. And then this one, I just made this little tag. And then on the side here, just have this cute little piece. Just tucks in there. And then in the front here, I have this piece of ephemera, and these are from Artie Mays, which I just printed a kit from her. I'm loving it. So yeah, I think it's gonna have to turn into a journal because it's really pretty. Can't think of the name though, but that's another video. Here I just added one of these cigarette cards. I'm not sure who that one's from. I want to say Tracy Fox, but not sure. And then here I just added that piece there. Another beautiful page. More space for journaling. Oh, and I did purchase some of this papers. There's 2 packs that I got. I saw Gail Agostanelli use it. She orders it on Amazon, so there I go. So I can't think of the name, but if you go to her favorites, or on her, yeah, on her channel, and go on her favorites on Amazon, you could see that information there. So yeah, it's kind of cool. This is a tag I made. And again, some more cute little trim here. I think this one also came from Craft Supplies for Less. Papa, I'm doing a video, okay? So shh. Craft Supplies for You. Sorry. And then this is the center. I didn't do anything. I love that image, so I left it alone. And then here I just have, this is a belly band. You can insert something and it goes all the way. It's a thick belly band though. I was gonna put it actually all the way to the end and just use it as a tuck, but at the end I'm like, you know what? I'm leaving it as a belly band. So yeah, that's a belly band. And in the front here, you just have a postcard. This little piece of ephemera, I'm not sure where it came from, but it matched with that. Here's a cute little envelope. And I just went ahead and added all these little, you know, bits and pieces. Another little sticker there. And then this is the journaling card. Yeah, I'm not sure who this kit is from, but very pretty paper. Yeah, I found kits that I purchased that I love, you know, but apparently I seem to have forgotten about them. So I did a lot of printing the other day. I'm like, I need to use them up. I bought them to use them, not to just, you know, collect them. A little snippet there. Here, just added a ticket, added some cheesecloth on the back. Here's another book page pocket. Another cute little tag I made. This one came with the kit. and a piece of ephemera. Here I just have a cute little piece of ephemera tucked in there. And here we have, okay, in here we have these two pieces, and those just tuck in there. And then on this side, more space for journaling. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. I did really good. There again, we have that guy there. Here I have another pocket, and this one has a large tag again. I need to sit down and make a bunch of tags. Those are fun to make. Oh, I didn't distress this. Cute little tag. And I'm gonna pop this one there because it's too white. Here I just did a little bit of collaging there. More space for journaling. A little corner pocket. And this one's holding one of these tags that came with the kit. This piece of ephemera. And this is an envelope that comes with the kit, but I went ahead and added this piece of paper, you know, to journal the information on the envelope. Little stamp there. This I think is from Tracy Fox, and I just added this piece of ephemera that I had and never used. So that little guy is stuck in there, and so that goes in there. Here I have my little, I guess, what do you call those, snippets too? And I just used it as a tuck. I'm flipping the things over because sometimes when I print, you know, something will go wrong. So I flip it over and print on the other side, but then I have to cover the back. So that's what I did on this one. So that's why I'm always looking to make sure I covered it. Oh, and then this is some more of that cute little trim. Here is another side pocket. And I have this large tag that comes with the kit. And then this is another envelope that came with the kit. And I just have, if I can get it out, just a piece of ephemera. Yeah, I'm not sure who this is from, but like a little postcard, I guess. So that just goes in there. I love those stamps. I can't think of who they're from, but they're cute. More space for journaling. Another pocket, and this is a little piece that I had also made a tutorial on, doing these little, just I guess they're still called snippets, right? Not sure. Decorative. And then this tag here that I made. And I think I forgot to mention, the book is a 8 1/4 by 5 1/4, and it has 68 pages front and back. So yeah, you got a lot of space for journaling. Look at this. I love this. Oh my god, really pretty. And then on this side I have a corner pocket there. This was a little snippet again that I had made, didn't use. So yeah, I love finding stuff like that because it's just easy to pop it in the paper and not or pocket and not have to you know, break your head. Did I put anything in here? Yes, I did. Another postcard. And that just tucks in there. And pop that there. Then this is the back. Another little pocket there in the back. It's holding that. In the front, I have these two pieces. I love that paper. And here another little stamp, and just collaged different pieces of lace. And that's it, guys. It's not that chunky, but it's chunky. But I love the way it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. What else am I forgetting? I think that's it. So I will see you guys on my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.